Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzur Abbasi, mathematics teacher. I have to teach the mathematics grade 6. Today we have to start the 9.2. Question number 1. Find the value of m. Find 9.2. Find the value of n by putting n is equal to 2 in the following, in each of the following expression. Dear students, here we have to first start the part number 1. Here part number 1 we have to start. That is the question number 1. 2m minus n. 2m minus n is equal to 12. Dear students, here very simple thing in the question that we have to replace the n by its value. Replace the n by its value. If here n is equal to 2. Now I write that 2m minus 2, value of n equal to 12. Now shift the minus 2 on the other side of sign of equality. From minus it will be changed into the plus. Now here 2m is equal to 14. I want to change this 2 is multiplying by the m. If I shift it, it will be divided. So I will divide it by the 2 on both sides. And then I will get here 2 one time, here 1 time, 2 1 time, and same 2 you can read on the 14 7 times. This is equal to n is equal to 7. This is the answer. Dear students, by the same way we have part number 2, and there's the addition. But I'm going to do the part number. You can do the part number 2 homework. But third part number 3, that is here in the lecture number 40. 2m over n, 2m over n, and after that it is equal to 9 minus 3m. Minus 3m. Here we have two objects. Number 1, we have to replace the n by its value. Number 1. Then we have to find the value of n. Here n is equal to 2. That is given in a question. Dear students, after that 2m divided by 2, it is equal to 2 minus 3m. And here 2 will be cancelled by 2. We will get the n is equal to 9 minus 3m. And this minus 3m, we will shift from the right to left. It will be m plus 3m. After shifting, because of the minus. Here is the 1. 1 plus 3, it will become 4m equal to 9. m is equal to 9 over 4. This is the answer. This is I did number 3. And after that I have a number 5. So in number 5, 4 is very easy. 4 you have to do, and I am going to do the 5. 4 you have to do. I am going to do the 5 part. Number 5, I am given here number 5. That is the 2m plus n minus 2 is equal to 3n plus 2n plus 2n. Now, the essence here, if you want to remove, write the statement in the standard form, then fine. It is also okay. But if you want to place the value, then here, if n is equal to 2, you will write here 2m plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 3 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 2. After placing the value of n, this is the first part. Okay. And after that, these plus 2n plus minus 2 cancel. I will get here 2n, that is equal to 6 plus 4. Now after addition, 2m is equal to 10. n is equal to 10 divided by 2. 1 time here, 5 times. So that means that m is equal to 5. This is the answer. Same way, dear students, you have to do the part number. I did the part number here 5. And now there is the sixth part that we have to do. In part number 6, dear students, we are given that only multiply and addition m plus n is equal to mn. Value of n 2. And there will be 2m. You will shift here 2m, n minus 2n, and n will be shifted on the other side. Then it will be minus 2. I think that it is also very easy part, but for your help I am doing here this part also. Here, dear students, in this part we have to do the, here we have to do the part number 10, 6 part, part number 6. That is the n plus n equal to mn. If n is equal to 2. Dear students, here n replace n by its value 2. Here n multiplied by 2 by its value n plus 2. This will be 2n. 2n. Now we will shift the n here. I'll shift this one here. It will be equal to 2 equal to what? 2m minus n. This is 1. So 2 will be equal to n. So n is equal to minus 2n. This is the, no, only 2. The m will be equal to 2. Because here n, 2 minus 1, it is 1n equal to 2. You can write the unknown value on left of it. Now dear students, after that, we have some word problems. I am going to do the word problems for you. Here, the remaining consisting in the word parts in 9. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. From the same exercise. From the same exercise. Dear students, here I would like to share with you that I have a question. Question number 2, that is written here. The price of a toy. 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 The price of a toy is, here we are given the price of a toy, that is equal to price of a toy gun decreased by ₹7. Toy gun decreased by 7. Okay. Find the original price. Find original price of a toy. This is the, when the new price is, when the new price is rupees 18. Yes, so this is the question where we have to start with the statement of the. Now we will suppose that original price equal to x. We will suppose that the original price is equal to x. Then I will write here the let's suppose. Let here I will say let original price of a toy gun equal to x, right? Original price twice. Then new price is equal to new price of a toy gun equal to Rs 80. Now according to condition, here price of a toy is decreased by 7. Decreased by 7. This is the condition. From given condition that the price of a toy gun is decreased by 7. Decreased by means minus. So this is the original price minus 7 equal to that. Here it is telling us the new price 80. I will shift the minus 7 on the other side. It will become plus 7. And x will become 25. It means that we are saying original price of toy, original price of a toy gun is equal to rupees 25. Is equal to 25. This is the original price. Dear students, after that you must be careful that find original price when the price of a toy gun decreased by 7. Suppose the price is equal to x, then decreased by 7 means x minus 7. And x minus 7 is equal to origin new price, that is the 18. Now rupees 18. We will find the value of x shifting by minus 7 on the other side. This was a question number 2. Now let us start the question number 3. What about the question number 3? Let us discuss now. Dear students, in question number 3, I am given here question number 3 that the sum of the two numbers is 12. The sum of two numbers. Question number 3. The sum of two numbers is 12. Is 12. Find the number. Find the number. Find the number. If find the number when one number is twice of the other. Twice of the other. Dear students, there is the hint in your book also. If the one number is x, solution, let if one number is equal to x, then other number that is twice of it is equal to 2x. Now from given condition, x plus 2x is equal to 12. Now here 1x plus 2x. 3x, it is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 divided by 3. 1 time here, 4 times. X is equal to 4. Dear students, this is the value of x. Now let us find the required numbers. Let us find the required numbers. Now required numbers that we have to find here. Required numbers here. I will write here. Now one number is equal to x. That is equal to 4 because x is equal to 4. Other number is equal to 2x, equal to 2 multiplied by 4, and then it will be equal to 8. Now you can check 4 plus 8, it is equal to what? 12. This is the question number 3. The sum of the two numbers is 12. Find the number when one number is twice of the other number. Let's suppose one number is equal to x. Then its twice will be 2x. Condition sum. Sum of x plus 2x equal to 14. 12. Now 1x plus 2x is equal to 3x. 3 shifted on the other side. 12 divided by 3. So x will be equal to 4. And then one number is equal to x means 4. Other number 2x means equal to 2 multiplied by value of x 4. And it will become 8. And at sum of the 4 and 8, it will be exact equal to the 12. Now after that 2 and 3, I have a question number 4. Now in question number 4, dear students, in question number 4 that we have to do here, in question number 4, mostly that you have a very good approach for your word problems also. Word problems. I write here, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have to write the question number 4. What is the question number 4? The product of two numbers. 4. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is 72. This is the first condition. The product of two numbers is 72. Find the other number. Find the other number when the one number is when the one number is 9. This is the question number 4. Dear students, in question number 4, we have to start the first of all statement. Read very carefully the statement. That what about the statement we have in question number 4? He said that the number is x. One number is 9. According to condition, product of the x and 9 equal to 72. What is the other number? Now it's very easy approach for me that I have to do here. First of all, we will understand what does mean by the product. Product means multiply. 2 means 2, right? And this is the result. He said find the other number. Let other number is equal to x. one number that we are given here, that is equal to 9. Now product of the 8 and 9 equal to 72 from given condition, of the statement. What? X multiplied by 9 is equal to 72. Now dear students, we must be careful that this is the multiplier. This one is the multiplier. So you must be careful. This is the multiplier. When other side it will be shifted, it will be in a divide. X is 72 divided by, now here, 9. 72 divided by 9. So 72 divided by 9, you know that table of 9 one time and here at time. So value is 8. Now, so the other number is 8. Required other number, other number is equal to 9. Answer. Sorry, 8. And now you know that multiplication of the 8 and 9, product of the 8 and 9, exactly it is equal to the 72. Now dear students, we have a same way question number 5. I did the 4, I am in the question number 5. Now let us see about the question number 5 here. In question number 5, what we are given, let us read the statement that we are given here. The statement that we are given. Dear students, here in question number 2, I am given here just to find what we are given here. Question number 5. 5 number, the difference of the two numbers is 6. The difference of two numbers is 6. Okay, full stop. Find the number. Find the number when one number is 1/4 of other. 1/4 of other. Dear students, if the other number here, I will say let other number, suppose other number is equal to x, then one number is equal to 1/4 of it, means x over 4, right? Now from given condition, this is the difference means minus. I write here one number, difference of the both. Dear students, here we have to find the difference of both. Now here the other number that we are given here equal to, but first of all you should be careful that here will be x minus x over 4 equal to 6. Now here, if there is no number, I will think 1. I will make it same denominator as 4. So I will multiply up and down with 4. Right? Now this will become 4x over 4 minus x over 4 is equal to 6. Now LCM is 4. 4x minus 1x is equal to 6. After all 4 minus 1, it will become 3x divided by 4. And this is equal to the 6. Now you should be careful. First I will shift the division number which is divided. Then in last multiply. This will be equal to 3x 6 multiply 4. And then I will shift the x. It will be 6 multiply 4 divided by 3. Now you can, dear students, c can be cancelled by the 6. One time here 2. So actual answer will come x is equal to 8. Now this is the, this is the other number. Okay? Other number is equal to 8. One number, it is equal to x over 4. It means 8 over 4. 8 over 4. Here 1 time, here 2 times. It is equal to 2. It is equal to 2. Dear students, now if you know difference of 8 and 2, exactly you will get the answer 6. So here the difference of the two numbers is 6. Find the number when one number is 1/4 of the other number. Now let's suppose other number is x. One number will be 1/4 of the x. 1/4 of x is just the same way. Now from the given condition, it will be x over 1 minus x over 4 because of the difference of the both numbers equal to 6. That is given here. Make the same denominator by multiplying 4. Then 4x over 4. Now LCM will be 4. Directly we will do the here minus. 4x minus 1x equals 6. 4x minus 1, it will be 3x divided by 4. Shift the 4 here. It from division, it will be changed into the multiplication. 3x now like this. Shift the 3 here, 3 1 time, and 6 same 3 2 time, 2 4 the 8 answer. Now the x is equal to 8. And x is representing the other number. Other number is x, then 1/4 of the 8 will be 2, and difference of both will be here. Now dear students, I have a number 6, 7 or 8. I will do any one of them. Now let us start the sum number 6, and rest of the sum are homework. You have to repeat these same sums and read that statement at least 2 times. Read and understand its meaning. What does mean by difference? What does mean by sum? What does mean by 1/4? What is the meaning of the twice? What is the meaning? How we find the unknown number? It will be very important that you have to read the number values first of all. Then we have to start. Now we have the number here 6 and 8. I am doing this 6 number sum here. 6 number, dear students. Sabina bought a pen. Sabina bought a pen. Sabina bought a pen and a book. And a book for rupees 40. For rupees 45. Dear students, here the book was 8 times. Means 8 times means multiplied by the actual price. If the actual price is x, then it will be multiplied by the 8. Now here the book was 8 times more. 8 times. Times means multiply. 8 times more expensive. More expensive means it was more expensive than the pen. Than a pen. What are the prices of the book? What are the prices of of the pen and a book. Pen and a book. Dear students, let us see. Now, first of all, we have to study the statement. The statement must be read very carefully. Now, suppose here, price of the book was 8 times more. Now, here 8 times more expensive. Now, first I will let suppose here solution. Let's suppose price of pen is equal to x. X rupees or x one. Then price of book will be 8x. Price of a book will be 8x. Now this is the statement that we are given here. Now he sees that sum of both from given condition. Sum of both means x plus 8x is equal to 45. 1 and 8, 9x. 45. X will be 45 divided by 9. 1 time and here 5. It means R is equal to here 5 times. Dear students, so the price of a pen is rupees. Here I write price of a pen is equal to rupees 5. Okay. Now then, price of a book, that is equal to 8x, and it will be 8 multiplied by r is 5, and this will be equal to 40 rupees 40. Now you know that 40 plus 5, it becomes similarly equal to 45. This is the question. And last question is homework for you. Dear students, I would like to share with you that here Sabina, here 8 is the homework. Be careful. Okay. Here Sabina bought a pen and a book for rupees 45. The book was 8 times more expensive than a pen. What are the prices of the pen and the book? Let's suppose price of the pen is x, then book is 8 times more expensive. Then its price of book will be 8x. Sum of the both amounts is equal to exactly 45. Now 1 and 8, it will be equal to 9x equal to 45. X is supposed value, it is equal to 45 divided by the 9, because 9 is multiplying here. After shifting on the side of the sign of equality, it will be divided. Here 9 cancel 9 itself 1, 9 can cancel 45, 5 times, here rupees 5. Now price of a pen is rupees 5 and price of a book is equal to 8x, 8 multiplied by the value of x, 5, 8 times 40. And you can check that these both values are equal to the same value that is here. So dear students, this was lecture number 40, and inshallah again we will, I want to say that MCQs of the chapter 9 and fill in the blanks and few questions that are included. This is the homework of you. Okay, chapter 9 review exercise. Objective. This is homework. This is very easy. This will be the homework, and we will start again from the new chapter, now 9 with new chapter. Hope you wish you best of luck. Inshallah, we will meet again in the lecture number 49. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.